Good evening, everybody. We're live at 7:36. Battling for Mike's very nice uncirculated Luke Jedi figure with the Stitch Cape. Looks like a sweetie. We got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We did. We got an Ocho, so we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Sorry for the delay on this. Adam takes round 1. Jason round 2 with number 6. And round 3, this time with number 3. Len 4. Kenneth takes round 5. Len again on top in round 6. Thor takes the next to last round, round 7 with number 2, bringing us, inevitably, to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Jason Lee Hassel in at number 6. Congrats, Jason. Make it official. NIR FYY is our verification code. Jason in at number 6 is our victor. I'm done at 7:37. Just as the clock is rolling over to 7:38. One last time, here's the verification code. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.